Ladies and gentlemen, the Mini XRT now has a fan. Check it out. I'll put a list. It'll be in the video description if you're interested in one. Let's not complain about the fan issue. The fact is, a lot of cars don't come with them. I mean, it's surprising, like the Relarlos, they're pretty cheap, but they do have, I don't think that one definitely came with fans. Usually your 8S stuff does. Now, Team Corrali, none of these Team Corrali ever had a fan on it. Some of my Arma. Now, Arma does a good job by giving you a heat sink. They put the heat sink on there, but it's up to you to add a fan. So I can't really remember which of the Armas I've had to add a fan, but there are plenty. See, I keep Arma fans in stock because I've had to add them, so it's hard to tell which ones I've added, because normally, if you guys look, I have a whole thing of fans right here. I got fans. Why? Because a lot of cars don't come with fans. I also have, hey, a whole big thing of fans. So like I said, Team Corrali, no. The HPI, the Forza S didn't. The Hobbio didn't. This Hobbio did. This one didn't. You know, the Blitzkrieg had them. The Valkyrie had them. Team Associated did not. So it's really just hit and miss as to which ones come. So it's not a big issue. Like, the bigger issue would be something like that 223S where the ESC craps out. But let's go out. I got the 3S pack charged. Let's go out and just have some fun with the Mini XRT and see how well the fan does. All right, everyone, check it out. Hopefully you can see this fan. It's pretty cool. It changes colors. It lights up, changes colors. Not 100% sure what you would need that for, but it is pretty cool. I've used this brand of fan on a lot of cars. I had someone, some reason, say that they didn't see any type of battery. But there you go, 2300. Says 3S right there. It's a 25C continuous 50C burst, typical traxxas. But yeah, man, I mean, I said, am I a fan of the window? No, I agree with it. And I've said it in my review, and I say it on any car review. If it doesn't have a fan, I feel like it should. I don't understand why things don't. But now, I will say, this ESC does do a tremendous job of staying pretty cool. So I'm not putting a fan on it, because so far I haven't had that problem. We are here at the drift spot. Gonna have some fun with this. Golly. Now guys, it's about almost 6 o'clock at night, according to the thermometer in the car, which is usually actually fairly right. It's still 88 degrees outside. No. Man, I tell you what, this might be about my pick for RC of the year as it stands right now. Definitely need to do some shock tuning. It's a bit way too bouncy. I just have to figure out what's going on here. Oh, see, that's what happens when the car won't stay on the ground. It bounces, it kicks, and it does that stuff. I'm thinking these shocks actually feel really, really light. I think we'll probably need to really just thicken that up. Damn it, man. Sorry, I hate that one. Oh! I hate when I'm filming and my phone goes off. That friggin' root gets all the small, you can get some of the big cars. Damn. I was over here talking about how great this car is actually, you know, small but usable, and I've been over here tumbling the damn thing. I got to make sure I'm hitting the right spot though. That damn route's brutal. I am really actually just quite impressed with this car. I mean, and I'll be honest, I'm not starting a war between the brands, but you know, the Groms were, you know, yeah, they came out with the higher performance Groms, which I've already made. You know, I already upgraded mine to like a 3S brushless system, but the that Mojave ain't got, has nothing on this. It's just too small, too light. It just doesn't put the power down like this. Damn, this thing's just a freaking rocket, man. I'm not even fully on it. It's yeah, the shocks definitely need some tuning. That's gonna make this thing run so much better through the grass on. It's just, man, actually looking at it, it's, I need to put some clips on this front springs, because it's about bottomed out. That's, yeah, this whole suspension. I might just go ahead and move these. Yeah, I can move these shocks in. That'll give it a little bit more ground clearance. So I might do that, move the shocks to the middle position. And then, oh, that stupid root. See, that is a problem. It's still a small car. It will suffer some of the things that small cars have, like when they hit stuff like that. Wow. I guess I really can't even run it there because the grass is getting so. Grass is getting so tall I can't even find the car. What really sucks is that there are venomous snakes in the area. I've seen a few out here. So don't really like when the grass gets that tall. Man, guys, what would you do? Say like you had an RC car like this and one of them snakes grabbed it. Would you call it a day? I know somebody can probably be like, I'd shoot the damn thing, but I don't have a gun with me. So that's kind of not an option. I don't carry a machete. Oh man, oh. Something don't sound right. It's like slowing down really fast for some reason. Something's gotta be binding somewhere. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I know the bad problem with batteries. Not very large. Look, that's full throttle. We're already losing power. We're already losing power on this thing. 2,000 milliamp on a 3S. That's not a good combo there. It's just going to be very short run times. Yeah, it's probably going to be in the LVC here shortly. Man, guys, I really do, man. This is a fantastic car, man. I bashed traxxas for the Mini Max. It was just underwhelming. That BL2S system. Blah. Yeah, she's she's had it. Oh no, man. You hear that? Like, ah, that's it, man. She's done. She is done. All right, I forgot to do this. Somebody's gonna probably say something about it overheated. That was the problem. So here's the 2300 milliamp hour battery that we just ran in here. So let me just plug it in right here. Now hopefully y'all can see that. 13%. Now look, 3.7, 3.7, 3.7. Let's reset it here. See? 14%, 3. I don't know why I always get this comment about you can't go by the percent, you got to go by the battery, so blah blah blah. Or somebody complains that these cell checkers don't give you the cell. They do. Even the Horizon one, the one by Spectrum or whatever, gives me the cell count, and that one actually does a lot more. I won't get into it. I mean, if you're using a smart battery, it gives you all the information, how many times it's charged, discharged, that. But guys, this, yeah, it gives you the cell count. This one just times out really fast. But so we took it down 13-14%. I'm not going to harp on it too much, but man, it's such a shame that we have such brand hatred, and I think a lot more of it's aimed towards Traxxas than anything else. Like, anytime I come out of the car, it's the same complaints about price, plastic, crook, whatever you name it. People just absolutely despise the company. I mean, if you take the name off the car, you know, it's a great RC car. I mean, even with the name on it, it's a great RC. I really like this one. I'm just going to work on getting these shocks dialed in. I really think moving the shocks in more and get a little more ground clearance. It's going to give me a little more pressure on the springs. Maybe thicken that oil so they'll, I think it's just so thin it's moving too fast. So we slow it down to keep it on the ground. But let's get back over here to the car. We're going to check the temps. Matter of fact, to be fair, let's go ahead and turn this off. 134 at 129. What do we got here in the end cap? 137, even if we call it 140. So now the ESC is a bit warm, but not bad. 164. 164. It's $130 on the motor. I mean, at worst case, I'll put a fan on the motor on the ESC one day, but for right now, as it stands, I don't think it needs it. Now, if you're the type that's going to come out here and run pack after pack after pack, yeah, then you're probably going to need maybe a little bit more fanage. But if you're going to do it on 2S, if you're going to go pack after pack after pack on 2S, I wouldn't worry about it at all, because the temps, even on the motor, weren't anywhere near thermal, even with me taping that window closed, which was the point of it, and everybody still said it overheated. But the way it ran out of the box on the 2S pack, it didn't. Oh, that's right, I put some foam on the shock towers to keep them from bending the body, so now it's on there a little bit tighter. But man, guys, you know, like I said, it's just really sad. Let's come out here and enjoy the hobby, no matter what the brand. I just wish, you know, so much negativity wasn't pushed towards creators that didn't create the thing. I spent money to have the car to show my viewers, and enjoy it and have fun, and you know, it's got to be so much negativity. But man, guys, I do appreciate the support, because if you're watching here, you probably do enjoy it. So I think it's a great car, man. I really do. I really think they did a great job. Of course, it's just like any other RC. We're going to have to do some fine tuning to it. Yeah, see that? It just comes up so fast. We'll need to probably thicken that up a little bit. So they'll the back doesn't feel as bad. They probably running something a little bit thicker in the back, or maybe a different disc in the rear. But yeah, I think well guys, I'm getting eaten up. I don't know where my bug net is. It's got to be in that bag somewhere, but hope you enjoy watching Mini XRT run. We're going to still do some more tuning, and we'll be back with more of this car, whether you like it or not. But yeah, I think it's a good car, man. I really do. Freaking, man, I'm really blown away. I'm not really a fan of these small cars, like I said, but this one does pretty good. Well, all right, everyone. Appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. Links down below have discount codes, also have ways of helping the channel. If you shop Amazon, go through my store, please. It helps me out. If you want to buy one of these, got the link through AMAIN and other stuff like that. Everyone, thanks for thanks for the support. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.